Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Otterbox Defender XT for the Z Flip 5. And to be honest with you, I didn't even know they had the Defender series for the foldable devices. I think it's actually relatively new, because I know I for sure looked for this before when I had a Fold 4 and a Fold 5, and I did not see it. I did check on this. They do have this for the Fold 5 now as well, of course, now that I sold mine. And it keeps the same styling from the Defender series cases that you come to expect with, you know, the regular slab style phones. The very nice kind of rubberized textured edges for grip. Nice fingerprint sensor power button cutout right there with your volume buttons on the bottom. And one thing I really like about this case over the other ones is it has this thing where it lays flat when it is opened. And that is because of the hinge protector design that it has. It does have a hinge protector right here. You can see the hinge is covered up. So if you drop it, you're not going to be hitting your hinge. But this hinge protector, instead of being hinged on the back right here, is actually hinged on the sides. So when you open the case up, the hinge protector rotates with it and folds and goes along the back flat, still protecting the hinge and leaving you with a flat design. So with this open, this phone basically feels like any other slab style phone to me in the hand. And then you close it, poof, back over. So one thing I don't like about the other, you know, these style cases, this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro case right here with this hinge. You can see here how this one opens. It's hinged on the bottom right here. So when it's open, your phone's going to be kind of raised up. And also this hinge does not open and it doesn't close by itself. So once it's open, when the phone's in there, you have to push it back closed. This one, everything is just all, you know, on its own. You just open it up, good to go. Close it, good to go. And just like the Otterbox Defenders for the regular slab style phones, there is a holster available for this. They do not include it in the box, but they do give you a coupon if you want to get it for free on their website. All you have to do is pay shipping. I paid $4.99 for shipping. So I will check out the holster when it gets here. Like I said, all that kind of stuff is available for the Fold as well. When I purchased this case on Amazon, it was $67 is what I paid for it, and I just checked before making this video, and it's $79 now. I think $79 is the regular price for it, and I happen to get it on sale. So it ranges between about $60 to $80 depending on color and whether it's on sale or not. There are some other colors right now that are about $71, and I think they were about $60 to $62 when I got this one as well. So price does vary, but it is a very nice protective case. It's got the kind of plastic back on it with, like I said, the rubberized sides. So that's probably my favorite case right there for my Z Flip 5. And one thing I want to talk about that I forgot about is the bottom. This is the only dislike I have about this case. The other cases, the other Otterboxes go the little port protector here like folds down. This one folds to the side, which is kind of, I don't know, I just don't like it because it kind of just, you know, it's more in the way than when it folds down. But it's not a huge deal. It works just fine. I'm still able to get all my chargers and everything in there. So very nice case. Otterbox Defender XT for the Z Flip 5. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.